is it just so wonky? Hello, welcome back to the channel. Maybe I'll buy a new tripod, who knows. Hello, welcome back to the weekly vlog. As you can tell, I'm back at uni. Today is actually Tuesday. It is not Monday because me and Jack drove literally all day yesterday, and then we were just half asleep, like we were so tired. So I thought I'd start the weekly vlog today. I've just been to Aldi and I'm just going to show you what I bought, you know, because I was thinking, do you care? But it's my channel, so I'm going to do what the fuck I like, so you're going to just see what I bought. It's like the biggest bag ever. I'm telling you now, if you're going to uni, coming to uni, anything about uni, you need lots of big ass bags, because you just do. For shopping, washing, travelling, all these things, you just need bags. So yeah, here's my little haul. We have milk and butter and stuff. I got some eggs. Tomatoes. I got another thing of tomatoes. I don't know where that is. Here it is. Lots of tomatoes. You know me and my salads. I just put tomatoes in everything. I was going to wear these today. I was like, that's a vibe. This is my outfit, by the way. Oh, I don't want to move you because I feel like you won't come up again. My room's so messy. I was going to say sorry, but I'm not sorry. And my big ass trainers. I think it's cute with my night jumper. I got some blues. They're all a bit squashed though. Aldi is up a hill, so I just had to walk down the hill. Apples. Health Queen. I got some runny honey. For like porridge and smoothie bowls. Red Onion, because it's just a classic. I got this for my toilet. I hate touching toilet cleaners. I'm gonna put it in there. I finally ordered a toilet brush yesterday. My mum will be so proud. I got some beans, because I just put them in everything. It's a great source of protein for all you vegetarians. Some fat-free yogurt. Because if I make curry or anything, me and Jack had curry for dinner last night, and I was like, I just want some yogurt on here, you know. What else did I get? I got 2 potatoes for mash with my roast dinner. I didn't really look at them very carefully. They're a bit battered. But I just get loose potatoes because I don't eat a whole thing of potatoes. Mushrooms. Got some basil. I just like having fresh basil. It makes everything taste nicer. Baby cucumbers, but I did forget to buy hummus. So I'll have to do that tomorrow or later. Cheese, because everyone needs cheese. I couldn't live without cheese. I got baby cucumbers and a cucumber, and again, like, it's a bit squishy. I think I just wasn't paying much attention. I've literally forgotten how to live independently. It was so embarrassing. I literally walked in the shop, I didn't have a mask on, and then I was just like, oh, it was so embarrassing. People like staring at me. I felt so bad. I got some stuffing because it doesn't taste like it's like not got meat in it, because obviously it's not. It's just this mixed with water, and I just cook it as like my meat substitute when I have a roast dinner. Life hack. They're selling this in Aldi. I got rapeseed oil. I was gonna get the chili one, but I was scared it would actually be quite spicy. Some broccoli. Oh my god, that is a massive courgette. Some courgettes. Salad to make my salad that I'm obsessed with. It got a bit squashed though, and I'm gonna go through this in like what? That's just like one bowl of salad. So I've been making a lot of trips to the co-op, and then obviously my halloumi to go with my salad. And I think that was it. And Jack got me a cream egg yesterday, so I'm gonna save that. I feel like me and Helen will make brownies or something, and that can go in there. But yeah, there we go. I have a tummy ache. So I need to tidy up my room. Let's just fill up my bags. I tried to do some unpacking yesterday, but me and Jack were just tired and we just got into bed. I need to take my rubbish down, and all just, you know, all grown up things. So I'm gonna go and unpack my shopping, and I'll probably catch up with you once I've tidied up. Maybe I'll do a time lapse, but to make it look cute, you know what I mean, like that's what I'm here for, the cuteness. So yeah, welcome to the weekly vlog. I forgot I bought this. I haven't even tried it yet. I bought it before I left. Watermelon and raspberry gin, so I drink that tonight. We're gonna get a Chinese and have some drinks because it's been so long. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. I didn't really do an introduction. Hello, I'm Lily. There we go, I'll see you in a bit. Good morning. I actually need to vlog when I don't look disgusting. I'm actually wearing the exact same jumper. I promise I got ready. We had Chinese drinks. I was gonna do a get ready, but we all got ready together. So it was about that. And I would have vlogged when I came to bed, but I felt so ill. Oh my god, I literally thought I was gonna be sick. I was not okay. But yeah, we had a nice evening and I have noodles to eat. We got this Chinese from a place that the girls have had before, and oh my gosh, it was so good. It was the best Chinese, and the portions were humongous. Like, you get those rectangular like takeaway pots. It was like double the size. That was like a big round one, so I have that to eat today. Why do I always vlog when I look gross? I didn't finish my unpacking. I don't know what that view was of, but I didn't finish my unpacking, so I do need to do that today. I want to try and make one of them bendy candles because I've got my little candle collection over here. Oh, you can't see it, I'll spin you around. Oh, look at that view. Like, imagine waking up to that every day. My little candle collection, and I've got a little bit of pink in the clock, and I've got a big pink candle that's just gonna flop there. I bought with me from Tiger. They're like wrapped in there, so I want to try and do one of those like bendy ones. So I feel like that would look sick, and just sort of make it look cute. Got my ball candle. I freaking love her. She's so cute. If I go past Sainsbury's, I'll go in and get some more candles. I'm a bit obsessed at the moment. This is what mine and Jack's flat next year is going to look like. He just isn't going to have a say. Oh my gosh, such a little life hack, little shelf. I'm just going to fall off my bed. Oh my god, I actually look atrocious. Why do I look like this? I do need to have a shower. And what I do think about is living in a big building full of other people. Like, you can never run out of hot water. And I don't pay for the water here. Or neither do my parents, do you know what I mean? Like, I don't have an association with the water bill. So I can just have a shower for as long as I like, and it can be as hot as I like. I love it. Made some lunch. I've just got like a random like picnicky lunch. All random stuff from in my fridge. This blueberry looks a bit funky though. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, maybe watch some YouTube. I just got a parcel. Can you see me? We're very washed out. Oh, I need a tripod that does not do that. Let's give this an open. Our building man is actually so nice, bless him. He's always so cheery when I go and get my parcels. I'll do that again without my address on it. It's this small. Why did the box need to be this huge? I suppose for it to lie down, but yay mum, I can now clean my toilet. TMI probably. Okay, once I've sorted this out then, I need to go back to the recycling. I'm not going back downstairs. I'm gonna do the bendy candle. Okay, I'm gonna sit down and try and work out how to do this candle. Don't mind me stretching my leggings over a chair. If something doesn't fit you, stick it on the back of your chair and stretch it. Because I like those leggings, but I'm too chunky for them now. So here are my candles. These were like 50p or £1 for these two. I think maybe it was £1 for two. So I'm gonna do this one. I don't really know why I bought blue. I should have bought like white or nudie sort of colour. Like, this is what we're working with. This is the cute setup. Isn't it stun? So I feel like a little pink candle. So I'm going to put it in my sink of boiling water and see if it will bend. I'm going to do one of those like, and then peel the bottom so it stands up. I need to go get my peeler. How long do you think I have to put it in the sink for? Should we just go to the bathroom? I've just cleaned my toilet so it smells nice in there. That's probably TMI. No one needs to know about my toilet. Here we are in my bathroom. Where can I put you? Is that really weird if I just put you on the toilet? No one needs to see the underneath of my sink. I just feel like you're gonna fall. Okay, well, let's put the plug in. Actually, let's run the water first. This is such great content. Oh, that's really hot actually, okay. I kind of want to make this a TikTok. Mirror film. So I've submerged it in there, but I don't know if it's gonna work. I've done it with the hot tap before at home, like that's how I did it last time, so. Oh, I'm gonna leave that for like 10 minutes. Spin. Okay, I'm gonna go get my peeler. If you can hear Sphere and Shinster in the background, but it is a bit squishy. Like, like if I squeeze it, it squeezes. So I feel like it's almost ready. So yeah, see, look, there's wax on my fingers. Yay! Okay, ladies and gents, we are go. This is the worst angle ever. Oh my god, it actually looked vile. But I want you to like be able to see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, that's alright. Oh, I don't want it to break though. I might have to bend it slow. This is so cool. Should I do it like that? Look at these penis candles. Excuse me? Oh no, I made like a thumbprint. That is sick. Now I'm just gonna like peel the bottom. Should I go and put it in cold water first? That is sick. I'm just gonna sort of hold it. I'm so proud of myself. That was the easiest thing like I've ever done. It does look a bit wrinkly in there, but like that is sick. Babe, if you're watching, our whole house is going to be filled with these. And I've seen another one where you do this, you melt it into a position, and then like the same position, and then you like melt them and you attach them so it looks like a two-ended candle. So I was like, oh my god, I'm going to do that for our flat. So babe, cool bendy candles are going to just be all around our flat. I want to do this again now with the blue one, but where the hell am I going to put it? I want to do a tall one and like twist it. If anyone wants to purchase a bent candle off me, come hit me up. Look how freaking sick that is. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna go put her in cold water. I'll be back. I'm really aware you can't see, like sorry, but I've just like done a little bit of a peel on the bum. I hope this is my peeler. I'm sorry if this is not my peeler. And then it stands up perfect. Isn't that so cool? Let's put her in her new home. She needs to be like pride of place. I'm sorry, but I freaking love her. She's freaking sick. Putting it in cold water made it work really well. Oh my god, she looks so cool. Look how freaking cute she looks. I'm not really sure how to like display this out. There we go. There's my little setup. Just a disclaimer, I don't burn the candles. Would just like to put that out there. That's from at home. I'm not going to burn these and be a fire hazard. Maybe I should put that there. I don't like that as much. Yeah, that's quite cute actually. Yay! Oh. Stun. Obsessed. I love you, candle gal. I feel like this wick is going to take ages to dry. But I mean, I'm not going to burn it, so I guess it doesn't really matter. And then I'll do the blue one for like there. Yay! Oh. There you go, there's my candle bending extravaganza. I don't think I'm doing anything else of interest today, so I'll probably see you tomorrow. I think I'm just going to eat my leftovers for dinner. And boom. Yeah, okay, see you in the morning. Oh. So embarrassing. We're making feta pasta. It's in the oven. I can't zoom in. So embarrassing. I actually can't. We're gonna watch Teen First Dates. It's gonna be so fun. Hello. It is, I want to say Saturday. Fairly sure it's Saturday. Oh, we're really quite overexposed there, aren't we? We are getting ready. We're gonna go to the Ho, take some pics, have a little picnic. It's gonna be cute. So I thought I'd just get ready with you really, because it has been a while since I vlogged, but I've had a really nice week. We've just all like, because I've just been reunited, you know, so I just didn't really want to whack out my vlog cam. You get me? We had a little garden centre motive the other day. We went to the garden centre. I was going to vlog and then I just didn't. We got a cab to the garden centre. It was hilarious. We spent like £100 on plants. I only spent 60p. Look at me go. Budget queen. I bought a little dish that I'm going to put my rings in. It was only 60p. It's literally a drip tray. Like, they're so much cheaper than actual like pots to put your rings in. So just get them instead. Yeah, so I'm just getting ready. I thought I'd have a little chat to you. I'm sorry this vlog has literally been not much. I need some clips for my hair. Keep it out of my face. I'll be back. I'll tell you what I got weirdly into yesterday. 4 in a Bed. Just on channel 4. It's on 4OD. We were watching Teen First Dates for like the last 2 nights. It's actually really good, you should watch it. But it's a bit cringy because it's just a bit awkward, you know. But it is funny, it's really funny. So we were watching that, but yeah, I got really into 4 in a Bed last night and watched like a whole, not series, but like a whole round. I just love shit telly because we don't get it at home because my dad refuses to buy real TV. Because we've just got all like Netflix, Amazon, Disney Plus, that sort of stuff. Please do comment below ideas of what I can do in these vloggies. That will be very helpful. I did film a mukbang the other day and I'm going to film a uni what I eat in a day. Just, that might be helpful, you know, give you some food tips. Why do I literally speed through my makeup? I do it so fast. I need to calm down. We're having drinks tonight. I'm going to wear zebra trousers, a nude top and a collar, and then white shoes, and it's gonna be freaking cute. Yeah, with a black bag, but we're only going to the kitchen so I don't really need a bag. But you know, you can imagine, you can envision. I stole my mum's one of these. Sorry Leslie, I stole your contour. I don't think she's ever used it in her life, so I don't think she's gonna care. So glad I bought this for you then, Moomy. Oh well, she won't watch this, so don't really know why I'm giving her a shout out. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you, Jem did my nails. How sexy. Brown, because we all know I'm obsessed with brown. My eyebrow pencil's come to the end of its life, which is actually quite sad. And I went to go buy another one in Boots, but they didn't have any. I am colour espresso. I'm gonna go shopping on Wednesday next week, so I'll try and find one. We watched High School Musical yesterday. I forgot how great that film is. It was the first one, which Jack says is the best one, but I have to disagree and say it's the second or third one. I think probably the second one. But I do love the third one. It's just not as good, you know. The first one's just not as good. But it's still a great film. Can you hear Jem's music? She always plays fun songs. As always, I use Collection and then I use Revolution. I lost a top, like a black long sleeve top. I think it's at Jack's somewhere, I can't find it. But I'm really sad because it was my favourite top. I have no idea where it's gone. It's really annoying. And like, I don't want to have to just order it again because that just seems like a waste. Okay, now my current fave lip combo is Intense Colour Lip Liner, MUA in Sincere. Just all over my lip. And then there's Peachy Gloss by Co Beauty. Just over the top to give it a bit of a shine. And that's my fave. There we go, then I'll quickly show you the fit when I'm changed. This is the fit. I feel like the top bit makes me look a bit like a mum. Oh, my smudge on the mirror, lol sauce. And I've got my big trousers on and Jem's bag. There we go. And I'll see you later. I'm going to the hole. I'll just leave you on a montage. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on TikTok, all those many things. And have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you next time. Bye.